National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hendricks County, central Marion County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsburg, or 15 miles west of Indianapolis, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Lawrence, Plainfield, Brownsburg, Beech Grove, Speedway, Danville, Southport, Avon, Pittsboro, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Clermont, Homecroft, Rocky Ripple, Wynnedale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, and Monument Circle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 104 and 125. Interstate 69 near mile marker 200. Interstate 70 between mile markers 72 and 88. Interstate 74 between mile markers 62 and 73. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks and Marion.